Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Realme Buds Air 3S with your iPhone. So first of all, open this charging case and then you have to find this small button and just click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. There we go. Right now we can reach that button, put it close, do not close this cover, and you have to go to this settings on your iPhone, open the Bluetooth, and then you have to turn it on and select the Realme Buds Air 3S from the list. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, and you can also open the App Store and get the Realme Link application. That's the application that we have to get, and this application allows us to get more features of these earbuds. So let's download it right now. Okay, and as you can see right now we can open application, accept the permissions that pops on the screen. Here we have to choose our region. Accept the permissions one more time, and here we have some kind of the virtual devices, but of course we have to click to pair the new device, and as you can see right now we have to sign in with the Realme account. Okay, and when you log into your account you have to click to pair device and accept all of these permissions on the screen, and then select your Realme Buds Air 3S. So as you can see right now we have to enter for the pairing mode one more time, so we have to use the same button. Click OK. Now it is searching for our earbuds, so keep them close. Okay, let's try to click on this try again button. It takes too much time definitely, so let's try to restart the application. Let's close this charging case. Let's try to repeat, so go for the pair new device and go to the earbuds, to the audio, and we have to select the Realme Buds Air 3S. Let's try to hold this button one more time. It is blinking. Let's go to the settings and connect our headphones. Then go back to the application and select that the earphones are connected. And it looks like right now we will be finally connected. Accept this another permissions. And as you can see, there we go. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.